Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look underneath our kitchen sink at what I recently learned are sound dampening pads. Underneath the sink, I noticed here a few weeks ago, one of these pads was peeling and some impossibly sticky goop was getting on my hands. I didn't know what this was, so I confess I had to look it up. And these are sound dampening pads that are used on deep stainless steel sinks. So I was able to find replacement pads online. I will put a link in the description, and we're going to replace this now. Here's the replacement sound dampening pad kit that I picked up online. It comes with 9 individual pads. First thing I'm going to do here is just peel off the rest of this old pad. Let's get rid of that first. Take your time and be careful with it. And I'll come back on when I got this scraped off. You can see this makes a royal mess. I've scraped off the pad. You can see there the pad was originally on the sink before they applied that white kind of stucco-like paint. So I'm going to take some goop off stain remover and try to clean that off to help with the adhesion of the replacement pad. And you can see that's coming off well. It's going to take a few applications to get that surface cleaned. Okay, so there it is, all cleaned off and wiped down and ready for adhesion of the new pad. Open up this new kit and take out, I guess, a pad. I don't know if I have to cut them. Ah, good. They're scored here already, so I can see 1, 2, so there's 3 layers of 3 pads, and so we're just going to need 1 of these. Okay, so they open up like that. Okay, you can peel the pad off. And I'm just going to take that razor blade and cut the backing paper here to make it easier for me to remove just 1 of the sections. Just come across like this. Okay. Now we have 1 of the pads. And the instructions are quite simple. I guess other than cleaning the surface like we did, it just says to remove the adhesive backing and apply 1 pad to the exterior of the sink on the sides and 2 pads to the bottom exterior, and then to press firmly when applying. Okay, so this is, I guess, a standard size. You can see it's about almost exactly the same size as the pad that was there. So I'll just remove the adhesive backing. Just gonna start it here at the corner. You can use a razor blade if you need to, just to get that started, so you have something to pull on like that. And we'll just peel off that backing, and then apply that up to the surface, roughly where it was. I'll try to get it lined up, but I have a feeling this does not have to be exact. And then push that in really firmly. One tip to help with smoothing that on and pressing it in evenly is to take a small block of wood to give you a more even surface. And you can just push that across almost like a wiper, just to make sure that's more evenly adhered than you would have with just your fingers. And that should be it. That's how you replace sound dampening pads for the bottom of your stainless steel kitchen sink. I hope that helps, and thanks very much for watching.